Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome to my Excel tutorial series. I'm from ARB Educational and today we are kicking off with lesson 1, getting started with Excel. Whether you are new to Excel or just want a refresher, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the Excel interface, how to create a workbook and basic navigation. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program used for data entry, analysis, and visualization. It is used in finance, education, business, and many other fields to organize information and perform calculation. Now we open Excel. To open Excel, click the icon on the desktop or write Excel in the search. Click Excel. Click blank workbook. When you open Excel, you will see a ribbon at the top with tabs like Home, Insert, and Data. This is the ribbon, and there are the tabs: File, Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and so on. Below that is Workbook. Below ribbon is the Workbook. This is the Workbook area. It contains only one sheet. I can add further more sheets. Sheet 2, click the plus sign, sheet 3, and in this way you can add the number of sheets as you wish. The formula bar displays the cell contents or formula. This is the formula bar, and the status bar at the bottom shows quick information. This status bar gives you quick information about the worksheet you have opened. To create a new workbook, click File, Blank Workbook. Let us save it right away. Go to File, click Save As, choose a location, browse. To choose a location, click Browse. Now you have 2 points. Number 1, the location where you have going to save the file, and also you have to name the file. For example, I want to save the file on desktop. I click here, Desktop, and name the workbook. In the file name, my first Excel lesson. Click Save. I have made already a file with this name. Save As is asking, do you want to replace it? Yes. If no, then you can rename your file and save it again. I want to replace the already existing file. I click Yes. Now the file I have saved, I can open it again. Go to File, click Open, and you will see the name of your file here. Or if name does not appear here, you browse. I have saved the file on desktop. Click Desktop, and on the desktop you see your file, my first Excel lesson. Click it and open. You have opened the file you already saved. Let me tell you what is a cell. You see that in this worksheet there are columns A, B, C, D, E and so on, and here are the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. A cell is a area of cross section of each row and column. For example, if you are in this cell has a name D6 because it is in the column D and row number 6. Here row number 6 and D intersect each other, so this is the cell in which you are and this is the cell name. It means cell is a intersection, cell is a common place of row and a column. Cell address is always written in the name box, and whatever you write in the cell, for example I write sales, it appears in the formula bar. You can move around your mouse or arrows like this one. To select a cell, click on it, just like this one. Click. When you click on a cell, it is selected. To select multiple cell, click on the first cell and then drag down and to right. In this way you select multiple cells. Click A1 to start typing. For example, I type here sales. Then press enter. Let us add some numbers in cells A2 to A5. First number is 90, enter. 780, enter. 1000, enter, and 250, for example. In this way you can write text and numbers in the cells. Highlight your cells, then use option in the home tab to change font size. For example, I highlight the cell, I go to font, click the drop down menu. For example, I click Arial black, I click Arial rounded or any other font I like. For example, Broadway. You see the style is changed as I click that style. Now you can change the size of the style. Click to font size, click drop down menu. For example, I click 36. You see that the font size is now 36. Select all these cells. You can make bold all these entries. Go to bold B or press Ctrl plus B from the keyboard. I click B. You see that all the numbers are now bold. You can write and change the font of the text as well as numbers. Now you can change the cell color. Click on the cell, go to fill color, click it. For example, I choose yellow color. You see the cell has become yellow. If I select all these cells and click fill all these cells are now of yellow color. Great job! Today we learned about the Excel interface, creating and saving workbook, navigating, entering data and basic formatting. Practice these steps, and in our next lesson we will explore formulas and functions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel lessons, and leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next lesson. Thank you very much.